In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user in Jobber. Let's get started by opening your browser and signing in to your Jobber account. Once you're in, look to the very top right corner of the page. Click the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. From the menu that opens, choose Manage Team. This is where you control who can access your account and what they can do. On the Manage Team page, select Add User. You'll see a form for the new teammate's details. In the Personal Info section, type the person's full name exactly as you want it to appear across Jobber. Add their street address, then fill in the city, province, and the postal code. Enter an email address they actively use. This is crucial because it's how they'll receive their invitation and log into Jobber. If a mobile number is available, add it as well. It can be helpful for contacting them and for app-based notifications, but it's optional. Next, enter the labor cost for this user. This is an internal figure used for job costing and profitability reports. Clients won't see it. Use the hourly amount that best reflects your actual cost. Now move down to permissions. If you want a quick setup, pick one of the preset permission levels to automatically apply a balanced set of access rights. If you prefer to fine-tune access, expand the options and customize. For example, under schedule, decide if this person can view only their own calendar, the whole team's, or make scheduling changes. Under time tracking and timesheets, choose whether they can track time, submit timesheets, or approve them. The notes setting controls whether they can add or view internal notes on clients, jobs, and visits. And with expenses, decide if they can create, view, or manage expenses. Take a moment to review everything you've entered. Double check the email for typos, confirm the labor cost, and make sure the permissions match the responsibilities you want this user to have. When you're satisfied, click Add User to save. Jobber will create the profile, and if you included an email, send an invitation with instructions to log in. From there, the new teammate can access the web app or the mobile app according to the permissions you set. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a user in Jobber and tailored their access so they can get to work right away.